Kasturba Gandhi Degree and PG College for Women is one of the 20 education institutions which are managed and sponsored by the Osmania Graduates Association and the Exhibition Society. Our college is in its golden jubilee year, and we focus on value-based and holistic education for our students. So all the time, our focus has always been on empowering women. When we do not lose any opportunity to educate them. So I thank Krivi Isha Foundation to have chosen our college as a venue to have the event, the Save the Girl Child, on International Women's Day. Our institution always focuses on empowering women. It's a continuous process, and we welcome any um, anybody who want to spread that idea, that message for our students. And when Krivi Isha Foundation approached our institution to have the program on Save the Girl Child on International Women's Day, we heartily welcome them to do the program because that is in sync with our values, what we have and what we have upholded or rather upheld over all these 5 decades. Having said that, I think we continuously focus on the mental well-being, physical well-being of all the women in our college, and that's what Krivi Isha has done too. And I'm very proud and happy to share that we have made a mark on the high range world records, and it's phenomenal. Hearty congratulations to Krivi Isha Foundation and of course our team of Kasturba faculty, Vibha and Varalakshmi and the student council members who have put all of this together and made it a grand success. All this would not have been possible without the support of our management, Chairman Narottam Reddy sir, Secretary Mohammad Fahimuddin sir, and the other governing body members. They've always been constant support for all what goes on in the institution, and I would like to extend my thanks to the entire team of governing body members of Kasturba Gandhi College. Thank you.
Kasturba College Principal Madam and Cultural Department and all. Krivi Isha Foundation, Kirti గారికి కూడా స్పెషల్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. 800 మెంబర్స్ని ఒక దగ్గర తీసుకొచ్చి ఒక ఆర్ట్ ఫామ్లో దాన్ని ఒక రికార్డ్ స్థాయి వరకు ట్యూన్ చేయడం, అందులో చిన్నపిల్లల నుంచి పెద్దవాళ్ళ వరకు చేయడం, ఇంత ప్రెస్టీజియస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్కి ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఇచ్చి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్న కస్తూరిబా కాలేజ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారికి కూడా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. సో ఇది హై రేంజ్ వండర్ బుక్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డ్స్లో నమోదయ్యింది. సో దీన్ని ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్కి వెళ్ళాలి అని కూడా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
When Kirti ma'am approached me to conduct this event at our college, we were thrilled because our college has always supported this kind of causes. Our management, our principal have always taken a step forward and always encouraged us to do this kind of activities. And we all believe in the cause. That was the main reason that we went ahead and finished this, because we all think that the world belongs to the women and we want to empower them because they are a very important part of a society and for the growth of our nation. So that was the reason I thank principal again for giving us this opportunity and providing us with all the facilities to do this. Thank you.
Good afternoon. This is Varalakshmi from the Department of Commerce, also the cultural coordinator of the college. We are very fortunate for organizing this event in collaboration with the Krivi Isha Foundation. We started off with 800 girls and 550 from Kasturba Gandhi College and 250 from other schools and colleges. It was a huge success and we got the high range of world record. Thank you, and I would like to thank my principal ma'am and management for supporting us.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కీర్తి from Krivisha Foundation, and we are very, very, very happy, and I'm to share this message that we have received high range book of world record, and we have entered into this with Save the Girl Child movement. It's a movement which we have started to just spread a message of physical fitness and mental fitness, and wholeheartedly we thank each and every one, especially principal ma'am from Kasturba Gandhi Degree and PG College, and the management who had supported us completely to have this event run swiftly and smoothly. I wholeheartedly thank Principal Ma'am from Kasturba Gandhi Degree and PG College for giving us so much support, along with complete management. Vibha Ma'am, Vara Ma'am, they all supported us so much, and also the council members. They helped a lot in the event to have run it smoothly and swiftly. So this is not just an event, but this is a beginning of a message we are spreading. Save the girl child, and we are also doing a Guinness Book of World Record attempt in the month of September. The dates will be shared very soon. We are eager, we are excited to do a bigger event, and also with great success, and we require everyone's support and coordination to have that event also get successful. Thank you so much.
Namaskaram Andi. Kasturba Gandhi Degree and PG College for Women is one of the 20 education institutions sponsored and managed jointly by the Osmania Graduates Association and Exhibition Society. We are in our golden jubilee year, and I think this year this year has been a year of celebrations, and we are very happy that the Krivi Isha Foundation has chosen our college to spread the message Save the Girl Child on International Women's Day. This concept is in sync with the values of our institution. In our institution, it is a continuous process to empower women. Faculty and students are driving towards that objective, that every one of us should be empowered, and saving the girl child is very important. I would like to reiterate that this is not a one day program. It's going to be a continuous effort on our part to take this further, and we are going to work towards this, the whole initiative of saving the girl child. And we're looking forward to doing many more events for the cause. I wholeheartedly thank our management for extending their support to us. Chairman Sri Narottam Reddy, Secretary Mohammed Faimuddin, Treasurer Suresh Kumar, and all the governing body members. They have always supported us, and faculty, they have been working very hard, and anything which is for the betterment of women, they always come forward. Last but not the least, our beloved students, they never shy away from anything which is good for the society. So I would like to extend thanks, and I think the world would be a better place if all institutions follow what Kasturba does. Thank you.
Good morning, this is Abhilasha, the cultural president of Kasturba Gandhi. We are so privileged to have this event happening at our college, that had happened in our college, Save the Girl Child. So as a women's college, it takes me pride to understand and to be a part of this and to organize this event. So it was a great event. We had 800 students participating in this event, and it went on really good. So the main concept of our event was Save the Girl Child, and the girl child health matters. So being a girl, I understand the problems that we have, and then the importance of mental health and physical health. So this event was the main agenda of this event was to show the importance and to understand the importance of how to take care of ourselves. And I thank Krivi Foundation. Firstly, I would thank our principal, ma'am, Dr. Rajshri ma'am, and our management for giving us this opportunity to organize and conduct this event at our college. And for Krivisha Foundation to collaborate with us, us collaborating with them and to make this happen. So I thank each and everybody, all the participants and all the coordinators of the event for making this event happen. Thank you.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కాసినాథుని వేకీటి. I'm really glad to be a part of Krivi Isha Foundation అండ్ నాకు ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చినందుకు చాలా 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 గ్రేట్ఫుల్గా భావిస్తున్నాను. First of all, we conducted this event, Save the Girl Child Movement, on the occasion of International Women's Day at Kasturba Gandhi Degree and PG College. And I'm really happy and delightful that Principal Ma'am from Kasturba Gandhi Degree and PG College and the management completely supported us to have this event done here at their venue. And we had introduced all the school students from different schools and colleges who had participated in this event. I would like to thank all the participants from different institutions, including Siddhartha Model High School, Siddhartha Grammar High School, Siddhartha High School, NRI School, Indus Valley International School, Jay Dance Academy, Sadashiva Sangeeta Nrityalaya, Ragam Dance Academy, Natraj Nritya Samiti, Kasturba Gandhi Degree and PG College, Sri Lasya Nrityalaya and YK Academy, and each and every parent who had supported for this event to be successful. Thank you so much. And also I thank all the sponsors in all ways who had supported us. Sheetal's Academy, KNR Cycles, Techie Ride, Manav Ability Trust, Anthropic Softwares, Shanilya's Academy, Reddy Women's Association, Cloud Media, our media partner. Thank you so much. They all have supported for this event to get successful. Now, I would also like to end this conversation with a new beginning. We are very happy that we have entered into High Range Book of World Records event right now, and we are also going to be a part of the Grand Guinness Book of World Record event, which is due to held in the next academic year. And we'll very soon share the details of the venue and the dates where we would request everyone to be a part of this event and grace the moment. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.